Step into a world where innovation meets elegance and design reshapes how we work. Welcome to Dubai. Known for its towering skyscrapers and luxury, this city isn't just about stunning architecture, it's about creating environments that inspire, energize, and maximize productivity. In today's video, we're exploring how Dubai's office spaces are setting a new standard in design, transforming the mundane into the magnificent. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the top office makeovers that are redefining the modern workspace. Why your workspace matters. A workspace is more than just a desk and chair, it's a place where ideas are born, goals are achieved, and visions come to life. In Dubai, where innovation meets luxury, the office environment has become a key factor in driving success. Today, we'll explore why your workspace matters and how it directly impacts productivity, creativity, and employee satisfaction. The magic of natural light. Natural light isn't just about aesthetics, it has a profound impact on how we feel and work. Offices in Dubai are embracing designs that let sunlight flood in, using floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, and open layouts. This creates an uplifting and energizing atmosphere, making the office a place people enjoy being in. Ergonomics, comfort meets productivity. Ergonomics plays a vital role in creating a productive workspace. Dubai's modern offices are equipped with adjustable furniture, supportive seating, and thoughtful layouts that prioritize employee comfort. These designs help reduce fatigue and increase focus, ensuring employees can perform at their best throughout the day. Color psychology, setting the mood. Colors are a powerful tool in shaping the atmosphere of an office. In Dubai, interior designs often incorporate calming blues and greens for focus, vibrant yellows for creativity, and neutral tones for balance. The right color palette can transform an office into an inspiring and motivating space. Biophilic design, bringing nature indoors. Incorporating natural elements into the office is a hallmark of Dubai's most stunning interiors. Features like indoor greenery, natural materials, and flowing water installations create a serene environment that reduces stress and boosts creativity. These designs bring a sense of balance and connection to the natural world. Smart technology, the future is here. Dubai's offices are at the forefront of smart technology integration. From automated lighting and climate control to cutting-edge communication tools, these advancements make workspaces more efficient and adaptable. With technology seamlessly woven into the design, these offices are setting a new standard for innovation. Collaboration zones, fueling innovation. Open and interactive spaces are redefining how teams collaborate. Dubai's modern offices feature designated zones for brainstorming, team meetings, and casual discussions. These areas are thoughtfully designed to foster communication, spark creativity, and encourage teamwork in a comfortable setting. Work-life balance, creating harmony. The best offices in Dubai prioritize well-being by incorporating spaces for relaxation and recreation. Whether it's a quiet lounge, a meditation corner, or an on-site gym, these elements create a balance between work and personal wellness. This holistic approach ensures employees feel valued and supported. Sustainability in office design. Dubai is setting an example in sustainable office design by using eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient systems, and sustainable building practices. Offices now feature solar panels, recycled materials, and green certifications, reflecting a commitment to both productivity and the planet. Luxury meets functionality. In Dubai, luxury and functionality go hand in hand. Offices are blending high-end finishes with practical layouts, featuring sleek furniture, premium materials, and state-of-the-art technology. These spaces exude elegance while ensuring efficiency. Private workspaces for focus. While open plans encourage collaboration, Dubai's top offices also include private pods and quiet zones for focused work. These areas are designed with soundproofing, comfortable seating, and minimal distractions, creating an ideal environment for deep thinking. Innovative meeting rooms. Meeting rooms in Dubai are evolving into multifunctional spaces equipped with advanced audiovisual systems, interactive screens, and customizable layouts. These rooms support various formats, from casual brainstorming to high-stakes presentations, ensuring every meeting is productive. Art and inspiration. Art is becoming a centerpiece in Dubai's office interiors, with curated pieces that reflect company values and inspire employees. Sculptures, murals, and digital art installations add a creative flair and make workspaces feel unique and engaging. Transform your space. From natural light and ergonomic furniture to biophilic design and smart tech, Dubai's office makeovers exemplify how thoughtful interiors can enhance productivity and well-being. These spaces aren't just beautiful, they're built to inspire and empower. What features would you love to see in your workspace? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and inspiration. See you in the next video.